What's something people don't know about the time a single glitch almost broke the internet? Today we reveal all. Imagine waking up one morning to find that your email isn't working, your cloud storage is inaccessible, and your favorite online services are down. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, that's exactly what happened when a glitch at CrowdStrike sent shockwaves through Microsoft services worldwide. Today, we're diving into the aftermath of a tech apocalypse caused by a glitch at CrowdStrike that sent shockwaves through Microsoft services worldwide. This wasn't just a minor hiccup. It was a full-blown crisis that affected millions of users and businesses around the globe. From small startups to large corporations, everyone felt the impact. Microsoft, a tech giant we all rely on, faced a major setback when a glitch at CrowdStrike triggered a domino effect, disrupting essential services globally. The glitch was like a digital earthquake, shaking the very foundations of our tech-dependent world. But what exactly went wrong? How could a single glitch cause such widespread chaos? But how did this happen? To understand the full scope of the disaster, we need to go back to the root cause. It all started with a routine security update. These updates are supposed to protect us from cyber threats, but in this case, it did the exact opposite. Let's delve into the nitty-gritty details. The glitch originated from a security update gone wrong. This update was meant to patch vulnerabilities and enhance security, but due to a coding error, it ended up creating a new vulnerability. This vulnerability was like an open door inviting cyber threats to wreak havoc. The glitch originated from a security update gone wrong. Within minutes, it spread like wildfire, affecting major platforms and services. The speed at which the glitch propagated was astonishing. It was as if a digital virus had been unleashed, infecting everything in its path. Within minutes, it spread like wildfire, affecting major platforms and services. The glitch didn't discriminate. It targeted everything from cloud services to email servers. The result? A massive disruption that left users and businesses scrambling for solutions. Picture this. Major Microsoft services like Azure and Office 365 crashed, sending ripples of disruption through businesses and individuals worldwide. These services are the backbone of many operations, and their sudden unavailability was nothing short of catastrophic. Imagine trying to run a business without access to your email or cloud storage. It was a logistical nightmare. Email servers down, cloud storage inaccessible, and productivity plummeting. Absolute chaos. Offices were in disarray, employees were frustrated, and the usual hum of productivity was replaced by confusion and panic. The outage didn't just affect work, it also disrupted personal lives. People couldn't access important documents, communicate with loved ones, or even entertain themselves online. In a nutshell, this incident highlights the vulnerabilities of our tech-dependent world and underscores the critical need for robust cybersecurity measures to safeguard against future catastrophes. It's a stark reminder that even the most advanced systems are not infallible. We must constantly evolve our security protocols to stay ahead of potential threats. What are your thoughts on tech vulnerabilities? Have you ever experienced a major tech outage? How did it affect you? Share your stories and insights in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about how we can better protect ourselves in this digital age. Share them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on cybersecurity incidents. By staying informed, we can all play a part in creating a safer online environment. Your engagement helps us bring you more content that matters. And there you have it, the day Microsoft broke the internet due to a CrowdStrike glitch. Stay tech savvy, folks. Remember, in the world of technology, staying informed is your best defense. Keep learning, stay vigilant, and always be prepared for the unexpected. Until next time, stay safe and tech savvy.